So wine is just, I mean, everybody is just wine connoisseurs. So this client, this was the second basement we did for him. He moved from East Cobb up to a equestrian home up in Cumming, and he was just ecstatic about his wine, his horse wine cellar. This one was obviously much larger, and this one where he actually programs all of his wine in his iPad and dates everything, and everything has a grid pattern, so he knows exactly what wine went and where, and the bottle, the make. Yeah, so it was a lot of fun.
That is beautiful.
Never got to enjoy the wine with him, but we had a lot of fun building it, designing it, and then executing it, which that's really what I love to do, is execute the plan. After they meet with the designers, the homeowners, you know, I get the pleasure of just taking the recipe and creating it.
Yeah.
And that's the fun, is creating the recipe, working through with all the trades, always knowing the next 2 or 3 steps, and that's my job, and I love to do it. And then you get the finished product, and everybody gets to enjoy it after.
Yeah, that's beautiful. It's a lot of wine, too. Let's
Yes.
see the next picture. Oh, this one's fun.
And this is the same basement. This is adjacent to the wine. You know, here you go. He was a pinball kid back in the day, so he had them. We put the pinball in, and we actually brought real brick in. They were talking about.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's a real brick. They were talking about just the briquettes, the small thin bricks, but they're more expensive and they're limited in colors.
Yeah.
So this was an old style brick. And talk about durability. I mean, you know, with your pool sticks and your pool cues, if you hit it, I mean, it's a brick wall.
Yeah.
You're not going to hurt it. So great entertaining. I think to the left is I think that was darts in there. This one also had the hardwood floors. We've engineered floor. It stays a little more stable. Also a separate HVAC, which keeps the humidity down. Also, most of these basements is we insulated the ceilings for sound. I think this one had a media room, which we went crazy on the sound deafening. So this was another one, just a fun room. Great
let's
artwork.
see the media room.
I think
that's
it's the
the
next one.
next one that we have. But you know what and that's what I love. This is the media room you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so pretty. Are you still seeing people want these?
Yes, we just did a media room, and this one actually has the platform built, and now they're making the chairs that have the platform. So instead of building a platform, the chairs come with higher, so you don't have to build it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and you know, obviously the theater seats. I mean the ceiling was detailed. I mean, everything. This was top of the line. Worked closely with the AV contractor, and sound. I mean, you could have a movie going on here and just barely hear it outside the room.
That's such a great experience to go downstairs and just watch a movie just like that.
It is.
That's such a dream to have something like that.
I mean, and really the movie theaters are copying the media rooms with all the custom seating. I mean, we started out doing it, and then the movie theaters came around and said, "Oh,
that's right, now you're seeing them do it." Yeah.
But you're paying what, $18 to go. But yeah, so that's,
and it's especially, I think, relevant now because there's so much more to watch.
Oh,
there's
absolutely.
so much more with all
and
the
with
new
with the
things that are
the
out.
Xbox games. I mean, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, God, I love that ceiling on that. That's beautiful. And what I love about the basement or terrace level is you can be creative. You can do whatever you want. And the next shot that we can go to, I think, really shows that too, like that fun creativity.
Yeah.
Build your own. This is all nostalgic.
This is the same basement, and actually the wine room is right behind that door.
Yeah.
So if you look at that door, it looks like a cabinet door, domestic, but that's actually the door into the wine room.
Wow.
The lighting. That's the wine room. The lighting in the soffit for the stained glass, nostalgic, old style. This one actually has a tap to the left. Yeah, see the tap to the left.
Yep.
So you got beer on tap. Like I said, it's an equestrian house, so you walk outside and they have their horses.
Oh, wow.
So you got old school and new school, and a lot of fun.
It's just really fun, and I love that dark wood with that stained glass.
That was an alder wood. I think alder and a cherry top, I believe that was,